Dear students, welcome to a new chapter, chapter 8. Chapter name is the dignity of labor. Here we will learn about the different types of works and about the dignity or respect of all these jobs. All we know that all the human beings depends one upon another because no one is sufficient for any kinds of job. No one is able to do all the jobs. No one is able to do all the works. Each and everyone needs the people for their different work. For example, a person who is a teacher or who is teaching, he or she is unable to do the works of engineer. So he or she also depends upon other. We must respect all types of works and also to the people who do it, and it is called the dignity of labor. So paying respect or giving respect to all kinds of jobs or all kinds of works is known as dignity of labor. डिग्निटी ऑफ लेबर का मतलब क्या है? सभी प्रकार के कामों को सम्मान देना डिग्निटी ऑफ लेबर कहलाता है. Disrespect to any job lead to social injustice, and to disrespect any kinds of job is called the social injustice. Here once short incident given of a school, and two children's name mentioned here. Children's name are Udit and Sunaina. Both they witnessed a dirty showdown due to strike of school sweepers. That day they realized that the difficulties without assistance of the sweepers, the house cleaners, garbage collector and other helpers. So here one short story given, and the story is about the school of Sunaina and Udit. One day they witness, or one day they face the problem without these kinds of people, or sweepers without the sweeper, and without the sweeper, what kinds of surrounds that they found there. And they realize the importance of the sweepers, house cleaners, garbage collectors and other helpers, as the manual labor. They known by the name of manual labor. Without the manual labor, what kind of problems that we are facing in our life, that they realize that day. Mahatma Gandhi's contributions to dignity of manual labor. What is the contributions of Mahatma Gandhi, or what the things that Gandhiji has given to the Indian regarding manual labor? Mahatma Gandhi believed in dignity of labor and respect of all human beings. He believed that not any work is manual or small. He took care of all the people who were considered as untouchable by the society. He called them in the name of Harijan, which means people of God. So Gandhiji did not believe in caste system. He respected all the jobs, and he always tried for the betterment of manual labor. Always he tried, and he never considered any works as the menial or small. He took care of the people, those who were neglected by the society, those who were called untouchable by the society. He gave them the name of Harijan, which means people of the God. Harijans means people of the God. He supported them and always tried for their betterment. Gandhiji said, tanners, sweepers and shoemakers serve the society and do useful work. Then also in India they lead miserable life, and he support them. Gandhiji support them. Those people were considered as untouchable by the society. He named by Harijan, or he gave name Harijan, and he support them and always strive for their betterment. and he said that tanners, those who are working in leather works, sweepers and shoemaker, Gandhiji said that these people do the useful work for the society. Though they do the useful work for the society, then also their life is neglected, or they are neglected by the society and lead very miserable life, very poor life. Another one is Labor Day. 1st May is celebrated as Labor Day, not only in India but also many countries around the world. 1st May or May 1st is considered as Labor Day, and not only in India it considered as Labor Day or celebrated as Labor Day. In many countries of the world also, May 1st is celebrated as Labor Day. Labor Day emphasis on 8 hours of work, 8 hours for recreation and 8 hours for rest. Labor Day in India is known as many other names such as Kamgar Din.